Hey guys, this is Xavier with Gotta Be Mobile. I'm at the Samsung booth at IFA 2011. This is a Samsung Galaxy Note, a great Android phone slash tablet. And when a lot of people think about Android devices, they think about games, they think about having fun and multimedia, but some people actually have to work. And because of this, Samsung has shown off some enterprise applications, including the SAP Business Object Explorer. Now, if you're not familiar with SAP, they run software that runs some of the biggest businesses in the world, and big businesses have big data sets. Accessing that kind of data can be very difficult, and because of this, SAP has applications such as this, so you can get a quick view before you jump into a meeting or get on a sales call or do a presentation. You're not going to manage terabytes of data from this device, but you can view the results of what happens with terabytes of data right here. So some of this won't be accessible since we're not connected to the web, but there should be some, let's see here, sample data on here somewhere, and as you can see, we do have some analysis. This here is an analysis of a carbon footprint. This is not just a screen capture, so if you think about going into a meeting of some sort, generally people work on a PowerPoint, they capture a little bit of data, and that's all they have. But if somebody asks you for more details, you can't give them much. Here we have a couple of charts. Let's go ahead and tap on one, and we can do things like highlight the charts and manipulate the data and create further filters by tapping on different columns and rows. If we go back here, see what else we have on here as a sample. Looks like World Cup 2010 teams stats. And we have 3 views loaded. And as you can see here, we can sort through teams. Let's go to South Africa 2010. You can go to Germany, the World Cup in Germany from 2006, and so on and so forth, all the way back in time to the 70s and 60s. And so if you want to know what your soccer team did in Deutschland, Germany, or in France, you can go ahead and do that. And this is a lot of data. This is data that you might not have on your cell phone. And of course, most business people aren't looking up soccer stats. They're looking up stats such as sales forecasts. They're looking up stats such as inventory and supply chain. And that takes up, like I said, terabytes and terabytes of data. And it's pretty cool that you can access this all on this little Samsung device. It's a 5.3-inch display. It's going to be a lot bigger than what you're used to on your smartphone, but it does act as a phone. It does act as a tablet. And one of the great things that we love from back in when tablet PCs were jumping off in popularity is it does have a stylus. This stylus is fantastic because it has great palm rejection. Once you put the pen on here, your finger doesn't interfere with it.